There are two prerequisites for syncing Revit data to layer. First, you must have a layer project established. Be sure to watch the Getting Started video for a step-by-step guide to setting up a project if you haven't already. Second, you must download and install the layer add-in for Revit, available at layer.team/download. Once the add-in is installed, open the Revit model to be synced. You will see a new tab for layer on the Revit ribbon. Click the Sign In button and use the same email address and password you used to create your layer account. Next, click the Attach Model button. In the window that opens, first select the layer project to which you want to sync your model. Each model can only be synced to one layer project, so be sure you've selected the correct one. Next, you will select the model categories to be synced. To start, pick 2 or 3 categories containing data you wish to view or modify in layer. You can always come back to this screen to attach other categories later. Also note, you can filter content by phase, work set, and design options. Once the attach process is complete, switch back to layer and you will see new categories displayed in your project, indicated by the R logo beside them.